Hello everyone, this is your teacher April. We're at the grammar section of lesson 14, duration of time. In lesson 12, we have introduced the sentence structure for duration of time. It goes like this. When you were working on the exercises in lesson 12, you encountered two types of sentences. The first one expresses constant, everyday activities, while the other expresses completed, finished activities. Today is the third type, how to describe the duration of an activity which started some time ago and is expected to continue at the time of speaking. Let me show you an example. Imagine you started university 2 years ago. At the time of speaking, you are expected to continue your education at the university. This is how the sentence goes. Start with a regular sentence. Repeat the verb. Add le after it. State the duration of time and finish the sentence with another le. This is a full sentence to describe the fact that you have been at the university for 2 years and you are expected to continue. Suppose we actually do not know how long you have been at the university. What we want to do is to ask you how long you have been there. We'll use the question word 多长时间 to replace the time. Let's write this sentence one more time. Now we have a clear context for what is being asked. Therefore, the answer can be shortened into. The key element is the added le on top of the original structure. This is a very useful structure. Practice using it as many times as you can until it becomes your second nature. That concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. This is your teacher April. Join me again next time.